Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza low budget. First, let's talk about the foundation, the dough. Making your own dough is incredibly cost-effective and yields a superior flavor compared to store-bought options. You'll only need basic pantry staples like all-purpose flour, water, yeast, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes, then let it rise for at least 1 hour. This simple step saves you several dollars right away. Next, let's craft a delicious yet affordable sauce and select smart toppings. Canned crushed tomatoes are your best friend here, offering a rich base for just a few cents. Enhance the flavor with dried oregano, basil, and a hint of garlic powder. For toppings, think about what's on sale or what you already have. Bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms are always great, low-cost choices. A modest amount of mozzarella cheese will still give you that classic pizza experience. Now for the exciting part, assembling and baking your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to a scorching 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is key for a crispy crust. Gently stretch your risen dough into your desired shape on a floured surface. Spread your homemade sauce, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Pile on your budget-friendly toppings and cheese. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and bubbly. Finally, here are a few extra tips to maximize your savings. Buying ingredients like flour and canned tomatoes in bulk can significantly reduce your overall cost per pizza. Don't be afraid to use leftover vegetables or cooked proteins from other meals as creative toppings. You can also make a larger batch of dough and freeze portions for quick future pizza nights. Homemade pizza is consistently more economical than ordering takeout, often saving you $10 to $15 per meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.